Hello, my name is Bill Jarrett. This is Packet Tracer Activity D2-539. This is the seventh time I'm doing this. Cam Studio seems to not like me today. It keeps dumping my files because apparently they're probably too long, so I need to go faster. We're backing up a Cisco router configuration to a TFTP server. I need to get this done pretty fast, so pay real close attention. The cable's already connected to the router, so let's get right into it. Open the computer. Go to this emulation terminal. Alright, here we go. We're going to log into the router. Give it its password. And then I'm going to enable it. Give it another password. Now I'm in. First thing I want to do is I want to save the running configuration to the startup configuration. So we use the command called copy. And we are copying running. Running dash config to startup dash config. Okay, seems to like that. That's a good deal. All right. Now, excuse me. Next thing I want to do is I want to try to reach the TFTP server before I try to save anything there. So I need to ping it to see if it's there. Ping 192.168.1.10, and it sent it. It found it 100%. Great. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy the startup config dash config to the TFTP server. So just real quickly, what we did is we have copied the running config to the startup config. We've made sure that the server is there, and now we are copying the startup config to the TFTP server. Alright, now of course it's asking me, where is it, Bill? And I'm telling it, it's at 192.168.1.10. That's where it's hiding. And it says, okay, well, now that it's, I know where to put it, what do you want me to call it? Well, I'm not going to give it any name. I want it to keep this regular name, which is customer router-config. This will become important later. So, now that we have done that, oh boy, I want to make sure that the customer router name that we just sent there is actually in the server. So here's the server, opening it up. Let's take a look under TFTP. And there it is. It's hiding in there. Okay, so I know it went there. It is there. It's fat, dumb, and happy. There it is. Okay, so moving on. Next thing that we want to do is I want to erase the startup configuration on my router and then recall it from the TFTP server. So we're going to say erase startup dash config. Okay, it's saying, hey, are you sure you want to do this? Of course I want to do this. I'm crazy that way. I like doing this kind of crazy stuff. So I've just erased all my configuration here. So now I want to reload. And it says, are you sure you want to do this? I said, hell yeah! Okay, there it goes. It's getting rid of it. It's wiping it clean. Come on, baby. And it says, do you want to configure with configuration dialog? In this case, no. We do not want to manually enter this information. Remember, we want to pull it back from the TFTP server. So, we have done that. We have wiped it clean. Now it's just called plain old router. So we're going to start over here and enable it. Hello. And then we're going to configure it. And then we're going to start setting some things up. The first thing I want to set up is the interface for the Ethernet, and the reason why is because it cannot communicate with anything right now. It's just a blank router saying, duh, where the hell am I? How do I connect out to the outside world? So we need to tell it what to do. We need to tell the IP address, 192.168.1.1. There's your network, and here is your subnet mask. Okay, now it knows where to find that. And we're going to tell it no shut. And did I do that right? I hope so. state up to state up. All right, good. And then after that, we want to set up the serial interface. Damn it, doing this the long way. All right, serial 0/0/0. Okay, no shut. Okay, now it's done that. Now what I want to do is make sure that it's connecting up. So you see my little amber light, there it goes, just turned green. Now I should be able to start pinging stuff. So let's go crazy and start pinging stuff. Woohoo! Okay. So I'm gonna check and see if I can ping my TFTP server now. So 192.168.1.10. Are you there? Oh, I did something wrong. Oh, I need to get out of that mode, that's why. I need to type end first. Okay. Now try to ping it. So I'm going to try to ping it. I'm ping 192.168.1.10. Are you there? And it's success. It found it. Awesome. So now that it's found my TFTP server, I can go ahead and call my my file back. So we're going to say copy TFTP running -config, and it's saying, but where do I get that from, Bill? And I say, I want you to get it from 192.168.1.10. Do you want me to give it a name? I said, the source file name should be customer router and then -config with no I, just like we had it inside our TFTP server, so it knows what it's getting. So, is there a destination? No, you know where the hell to put it, so put it in there, and now it should be in there. Okay, so once it puts it in there, then we need to copy it into our startup config here. So, copy, running, boy, we're blazing through this. Running config to startup config. Just hope I can get it under 10 minutes. Okay. And it's taking it. Okay, now I'm going to try to ping it. Or ping the ISP server. So ping 209.165.201.10. And it says success. So it found everything. Well, I need to end this before I run out of time. Yeah, so Cam Studio will work. I hope you enjoyed it.